Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are serious about your rice, you know that the difference between a mediocre meal and a restaurant-quality dinner often comes down to the appliance sitting on your counter. Today we are looking at the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, the CRP-ST1009FW. This is a massive 10-cup uncooked capacity machine that promises to change the way you look at grains forever. Let us start with the standout feature, which is the twin pressure technology. Most cookers offer you one way to cook, but CUCKOO gives you a choice. You can use high pressure to get that perfectly sticky, chewy rice texture that is ideal for Korean dishes, or you can switch to the non-pressure mode for rice that is unbelievably fluffy and distinct. Having that level of control in a single unit is a game changer for home chefs who vary their menu between sushi, stir-fries, and traditional bowls. The versatility of this unit is impressive. It features an LED display with 12 specific menu options. Beyond just basic white rice, you have presets for GABA brown rice, frozen rice, and even porridge. It acts as a multi-cooker for your grains. The smart technology inside is what really justifies the premium price tag. It uses an energy-saving algorithm that detects the grain type and monitors internal temperatures constantly. This removes the guesswork so you never end up with burnt, dry, or undercooked rice. When you look at the build quality, it is clear why CUCKOO is a leading name in the industry. The inner pot features an X-wall non-stick diamond coating. It feels substantial, conducts heat remarkably well, and more importantly, it is incredibly easy to clean. Nothing sticks to it, which saves you a massive amount of cleanup time in the kitchen. Plus, the unit includes a voice guide system which makes operating those 16 menu options simple, even if you are not tech-savvy. However, we have to talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the build quality is top tier. The ability to toggle between pressure and non-pressure cooking is a luxury that provides real culinary results. The keep warm function is also fantastic because it prevents the rice from drying out or yellowing even hours after it is cooked. On the downside, this is a large machine. It has a 10-cup uncooked capacity, which means it occupies a significant footprint on your kitchen counter. If you have a small apartment or very limited cabinet space, you will need to measure your area first. Additionally, the premium features come with a premium price point, so this is an investment rather than a casual purchase. Ultimately, if you eat rice multiple times a week and care about the texture and consistency of your grains, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker is worth every penny. It brings professional-grade technology into your home kitchen and takes all the stress out of meal prep. It is durable, smart, and handles a variety of grains with ease. This is truly the gold standard for anyone who values a perfectly cooked bowl of rice. Link in the description.